Here's an interesting article. How not to bake a pie.
How not to bake a pie. How about that? Yeah, definitely don't preheat the oven to 425.
Do not collect all these ingredients.
That's
Hilarious. Whoops, sorry, you gotta get this.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yellow. Oh, hey, congratulations. That's awesome. Yep. Super. Well, yeah, thanks so much for calling. Love ya. Bye.
Who was that?
My niece, she had her baby.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, actually, it's kind of interesting. My cousin, who lives near her, just had her baby like 10 days ago, which has been wonderful because now we can enjoy her breast milk.
Wait, what?
Well, of course, yeah. After 10 or so days, we could take her baby away from her so that we could use her breast milk. How else would we get milk? Greedy little babies.
I'm drinking breast milk?
No, I use cashew milk in my coffee.
Well, thank God.
Oh, but I did use breast milk in the muffin.
Ew.
1, 2, 3, listen.